So guys, the last time I posted this my yogurt, someone asked how she can sweeten her yogurt. Okay, so here are my own tips. Okay, so first thing first, you can make a sugar syrup. For this sugar syrup, you can just dissolve 1 tablespoon of sugar and half cup of water. Place it on heat and let it boil till the sugar completely dissolves. Okay, and the water will reduce a bit. So this was the leftover from the yogurt that I made. It wasn't much like that. So I just want to use it to show you um how to sweeten your yogurt. So this one on this side, I'm going to be adding this sugar syrup to it. Okay, this sugar syrup I just made. So make sure that after boiling your sugar syrup, you have to sieve it. You understand? Use a very fine cheesecloth to sieve it. Okay, so now just take a bit of that sugar syrup depending on the quantity of yogurt you have. Okay, if your yogurt is much, you can make a bigger batch of the sugar syrup and add, you understand, to sweeten it. Okay, so but if your yogurt is small, you can use small. You can also add normal sugar directly into it, but make sure it's a caster sugar. Get your sugar, you blend it, you can add it. So this other one, this second one is I'll be adding flavor to it. You just sell this flavor. I'll just show you butter flavor. This flavor is very, very, like, the taste is, it tastes like butter. Like if you put it in something, it gives you that buttery taste. But you may choose not to use this particular flavor, but this one is good too. You can use vanilla, you can use any flavor at all you want to use. You can use milk flavor. Okay, it will taste good. Okay, so if you need any of those flavors, you can contact me, especially if you're in Kaduna State or if you're anywhere in Nigeria, you can contact me. I will give you a clue on how to get it. Okay, so these are the different ways you can sweeten your yogurt.